All right, so we're gonna do our Tuesday recap of Nikkei 225. So we had some pretty good trades on Sunday, Monday, and now Tuesday. Tuesday, New York session. So technically, if we only trade the Asian session, we only had two good ones. But I seen the third one today, and I'm gonna show you how I added another confluence off the fib. All right. So as you can tell, as you know, if you've been on my channel before, if you look right here, I looked right here and seen, all right, this was last week's lows. All right, this was last session lows. That was on Friday. As you can see, is a bounce off the support right here. This the support right here that I got. A bounce off the support right here. All right. And this is 1900 when I start trading. So, and then remember I told you guys I look at the DJI, and I can see on Friday this price was higher than the Thursday price. All right. So typically this is it coincides with each other. If you can look at the video I had before this when I talked about how they're correlated. All right. So as you can see, these are all in a bullish mode, and the prices are constantly higher. So I'm going to look for buys. You can see on Thursday, all right, this was this price, went up again and went up again. All right. So as you can see on Friday, I'm going to trade the Monday, and then that Monday price is higher. I'm going to trade it that Tuesday as well, which was today. All right. So you can see constantly going up. Now today is going to close below. So tomorrow I can potentially looking at some sales. All right. But we'll see how that goes. All right. So you can see my strategy was here. All right. I seen it bounce off. I got in for 30 pips or 30 ticks. Boom, in and out the trade. But as you can see, it's constantly uptrending. Constantly uptrending. All right, above the 200. All right, right here. And let's look. So overall, it is above the 200 right here. And I'm not going to keep this on. But if you see right here, nothing but bullish momentum. All right. Again, look at here. It came up right here, but then I needed something else. As you can see, look, bounced off again. But see, this is what I did. This is what I did. I brought out my fib. All right. And I brought it to, where is it at? Boom, right here. All right. So I brought it to the higher. All right. Right here. And as you can see, what happened right here? All right. As I'm looking, so keep in mind, I'm looking at this trade. So all this didn't happen in the last session, but look at the highest high and the lowest low. And if you can look right here, what happened? It retraced about the 50%. All right. So when it was my time to jump in, I needed it to retrace. I needed it to retrace. And smooth as butter, retraced off the 38.20. All right. Got in, 30 pips, you out. All right. But here's the deal. Let me move this out the way. All right. Let's get rid of this one. All right. And all right, the lowest of the low. Again, if I'm looking in New York, I'm like, okay, bet. Boom, right here. I'm looking at New York session, and what did it do? Retraced up to 38.20. Boom, jumped in. All right, 30 points. All right, and this was last week's high. So it didn't already broke last week's high. All right. So what I'm looking at now is that since the DJI is going to close, all right, DJI is potentially going to close below this candle right here. All right, so right here, 39.07. All right, it closed yesterday, 39.418. It's going to potentially close right here. So what are we looking for right here? For the if it does what it's supposed to do, no news coming out, and correlation does what it's supposed to do. We're looking for bearish momentum tonight. We might not even trade tonight because it's almost Wednesday. So Wednesday we needed to reset and go from there. All right. Key point. As you can see, this right here, this thing have went up. This is the opening price right here. Opening price at 38,540. All right, it's went up 157 ticks. 157 ticks. It went from 38,530 and 315. So let me just show you the power of trading. If you have a 9 to 5, the power of trading this with just one contract. All right, and let's go back. Let me show you the power of this. All right, and if you need me to show you how my fib levels and all that good stuff, we'll go from there. And to show you exactly how I look at the fibs and the fib retracement. If you would like to see that video, make sure you comment down below. Make sure you hit the like button if you like what you see so far, and comment your type of strategy. All right, boom, you see I'm in right here. Let's move this up some. All right, buy right here, and then we go from, we do 1 to 1. All right, let's go from here. All right, so you got 900 right there, or 700 right there. I don't know why it goes up like that. All right, boom. You could have wrote this out. Normally, I don't, like I said, and I'll show you the potential if you like the whole things longer. All right, let me move this one up. I'm not doing all this clicking. All right, next section. Next session comes up. All right, it retraced. All right, and boom. Off the, what you call it, boom. Oops, my bad. All right, let's go from there. Let's just let's buy from there. Buy options, not buy options. I'm tripping. Boom. All right, and oh, let me go up here since I didn't do it where I was supposed to do it. You got boom 1,500 right there, and then there we go. Wait for it to bounce off the 38. All right, and we'll take boom right here, and let's go up here, and boom. Come on. All right, so you can see right here, 26.50, 26.50 for the week. That's some pretty good profits this week. Again, like if I was trading forex still, I would have held this this trade. But since they close it out in Top Step, they close it out, or even I don't know if Top Step close it out, but I don't even care. I just get in and get out because I like to scalp this market. I only hold forex longer. I know there are some prop firms that let you hold longer, but I'll research that for you. All right, but other than that, see that number 26.50 for the week. So you have 1. All right, you have 2, and you have 3. All right, you see it retraced. Let me go off my fibs. All right, so as you can see, it came down here, then the highs of the highs right here. All right, boom. You see it retraced right here. So these are my fib levels, so you can see. All right, so make sure you screenshot that. All right, these are my fib levels and my colors. All right, and then I'll go from there. All right, so keep in mind, this wasn't even here that day. All right, for this day. So if you look, I got in. All right, then I came the next day and I drew the fib from right here to right here. All right, played around, went up. All right, and then it retraced off with the 38.20, jumped in, boom, and let's go. Let's get out of here and let's do this fib again. As you can see, we came the next day. This is the highest of the high for I'm sorry, for boom, you can do it right there. All right, so this is pretty much the 28, the 38.20. Boom, for New York session. Now, keep in mind, I don't normally trade the New York session. I just seen a good move right there, and I seen the potential still momentum going up. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys understood what I was doing. So this is Nikkei 225. So remember, I said it's correlated off the DJI and the DJIA, and I have both of those right here. As you can see, still bullish momentum, right? This was Friday. All right, this is Monday. All right, look at that. Constantly still going up. So if this still goes up, the DJIA, we're probably going to still be in the long run looking for bullish momentum. We're not looking for any bearish moves. All right, and then also the DJI. I normally go off of this one as well, and it's been doing me right because you can see if you've been trading since June, right here, look at these prices, these closes, constantly higher. And if this is correlated, if that's correlated, let me get rid of the one for the day, correlated with the NKI, the NKDI, all right, then it's been doing pretty well, unless there's some major news. Now, if your account is a little too small for this one, here's some other ones I can give you. This NKD, all right, this is NV, and all right. So let's look these up real quick. All right, ENY, that is your mini 225. All right, let's go ahead and put that one up here. All right, and then you have your, and go from there. All right, so keep in mind, you might have to, well, I'm sorry, this one right here. So this is Nikkei and Yen Futures. Like, I don't trade this at all. I don't trade this one at all. I'm gonna be honest with you. Then you have, let me see. Let's see. Why didn't it go? And let's see. Let's try this one. Well, so you might have to get another package for this one. I'm gonna be honest with you, but this one works. All right, and as you can see, constant momentum. Boom, boom. All right. So daily chart, this looks like a little bit of consolidation right here. Let's see. But it's still on the uptrend, but it is still in a little consolidation. But we're not looking for long term, right? We are looking for short term. Short term. Boom. Look at this. Short term. Did I have it on the 10-minute or the? All right. So if you look right here, this was Friday again. Let's go over this. Let me put this over here so that way. All right. And if you look, boom. All right. Where's my sessions at? All right. Friday. Look back. Still use your support resistance. Support. All right. And like clockwork. Oh, why is this like that? Okay, let me move this and get out of here. Get out of here. Oh, it's probably on this one. Boom. All right, support right here, and then it retraced. Not retraced, but it retraced off support, bounced off support. Boom, got in, and I came and made my fib. Bounced off the 38.20, jumped in again and again. Let me get rid of this, and let's boom. All right, look at that. Even if we do it, trading the New York session, lows, highs, and what happened? Bounced off the 38.20, back in, and it broke last week's high. Last week's high. Other than that, I hope you guys understood what I was talking about, and I will try to make a video every single day about how I used to trade. I still trade forex, but futures is a lot more smoother than me, and it's a lot more easier as far as like the spread. There's no spreads, and there's actually, when you get in, you get the actual price that you want to get in at. All right, that's what I've seen so far. Other than that, you guys have a good trading week and use your risk management.